Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. I'm excited to have you here again. This is JAMB Physics 2017, which goes thus. Which of the following prevent loss of heat by radiation in a thermos flask? A thermos flask or a vacuum flask is used to keep hot liquid hot and cold liquid cold. Let's take a quick, just a rough drawing of what a thermos flask could look like. Okay, this is the cork, and it has double layered wall. Okay, there is something at the bottom, probably. Okay, so the thermal flask can keep this hot or cold liquid for a very long time by preventing loss or gain of heat energy due to convection, conduction, and radiation. Okay, so let us take a look at what the thermal flask consists. It consists of two or double-walled glass vessels. These are the two double-walled glass vessels. Okay, all right, and this is resting on a cork, although I drew two corks, but a cork inside a metal or plastic case. This is the case. The outer surface of the inner wall. This is the inner wall, and we're talking about this. Okay, and the inner surface of the outer wall. This is the outer wall. So we're talking about the inner surface here. Are both silvered. They are painted silvered. Okay, and these prevent heat loss or heat transfer due to radiation. Okay, so I think that should give us a clue to the answer. All right, so let's go to the answer option now. So option A, vacuum. The vacuum will prevent heat loss by conduction. Okay, then for the cork stopper, it will prevent heat loss by convection. Option C, cork support below the flask will also prevent heat loss by convection, while option D, silvered wall, as we've seen, will prevent heat loss by radiation. Okay, so this is the answer option. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.